Hi everybody, it's Dollar Tree Trisha here in my craft room where I spend a lot of my time. um, I wanted to do a little vlog because my goal for 2020 is to do more videos. Whether it's just me vlogging about my day, uh, craft videos, hauls, Bible journaling. I'm going to do better this year and make this happen. Okay, so it is Saturday, and I knew I wasn't going to be going anywhere, but I was feeling a little frisky, like I wanted to be wearing something fun, or I don't know. So what I did was, this is not something fun, this is something comfortable, and I love it. But, so I thought, I'm going to add these. These are my reading glasses. um, they are Betsy Johnson. I got them at Ross for cheap, and I think there was 3 in a pair. I have this black pair, a brown pair that's like a cheetah, and I think I have a zebra that came in there all together. So, my husband hates these. I put him on, he's like, oh, Trisha, you look like a cat. And I was like, well, meow. I like to do fun things and just have fun things, and why not? So this was my frisky thing for the day. Now, I've told you before that I am a messy creator. When I create things, like when I'm scrapbooking, if I'm making a card, if I'm anything that I'm doing, Bible journaling, for whatever reason, I start off with a clean place, spot, table. It does not take long, and it is messy. I guess I can only work with a messy table. My mind kind of seems to work that way, which is so weird because I'm so organized in other areas of my life. And I'm pretty organized in here, except for I just came back from a retreat, so stuff is a little bit everywhere. But I'm gonna oh, this is what I made. I made this notebook. I got this idea off of YouTube. It's not my own idea. I can't think of the lady's name that did it, but this is not my idea. I'm going to be doing a video tomorrow of a haul, so I will link her name in the tutorial down below. It is so easy. You take a dollar store Christmas card, and this is one that I got after Christmas. I got a box of them for 50 cents. And I took this one, and it has to be a 5x7 card to do this project. And then there's the back of the card. I needed some chipboard, which would, and I had a bunch of it laying around, which you need to make the cover of the book hard and the back of the book hard. And she tied hers with a ribbon, and I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do, and I haven't done it yet, and when I make another one, I'll do it different. I'm going to put a magnet here and a magnet on the underside of this, under here, so that when it closes, when they touch, it will stay closed. But when I make them again, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the magnet under the paper, under it, and put the paper over it, because it will still work, and then do the same thing on this side. I won't put it under the paper, but I'll put it behind, and have it, you know what, I might put it, I think I will put it under the paper, so that it will, boop, and it'll stay shut. So, this was just a super cute, this is a Dollar Tree card that I got for 50 cents. This is extra scrapbooking paper that I had left over from when I did my planner for December. And this pad is a dollar store notepad. So, that's this. Super cute idea. I did not make it, I mean, I made it, but I did not come up with the idea. Let me just preface that out there. The lady that came up with this is awesome. Her tutorial is awesome, and I will post it in the link tomorrow. Actually, I could do it today. I'll post it in the link today before I upload the video. Okay, now I'm going to show you. I'm a very messy scrapbooker, and I'm going to show it to you so that you can believe me when I tell you. This is so bad. But here we go. I'll let you in. This is a side table that I have next to me. There's another table over there. Yep. Messy, messy, messy. Look at me. And then this is the table that I actually created at. And yes, this is it. Isn't that crazy? There's my husband. He, this is funny. When I went to Doodlebug in Utah, and I was driving there all by myself, when I got up to leave early in the morning, this was on my steering wheel, and it said, "Thought you might like to take me with you." So I thought that was cool. So I hung it up there because I like the picture. But look, messy, messy, messy. And to make it worse, let's go this way. Because when I don't put things back right away, when I put them away, I very much just, there's some of my haul for tomorrow. And then there's my table over here. Yes. This shawl, my mother-in-law knitted that for me last Christmas, and I absolutely love it. Because our basement is a little cold, so it wraps me up, and it's just perfect. Love that. So, yes. So when I tell you that I am a messy scrapbooker, you can believe me. It's one of my dirty little secrets. Maybe I should do that. One of my crazy things about me, or different things about me a week. I could do more than a year worth of all different things, but no. My favorite thing to have when I scrapbook or card make, whatever, are these Snyder's pretzels. You can get them at the dollar store for $1. I think it's a little smaller bag than this. My Dollar Tree didn't have any, and I knew I was going to be crafting. Look at that. $3.69. Yes, I paid that much for them because I really like them. But I did find some today when I went to the dollar, or not today, yesterday when I went to the dollar store. And so I'm good on that. You're like, it's only $1 at the dollar store and paid $3. But I love the pretzels. So what else did I do? I organized a bunch of my 2019 photos. I have some of them in this. This is a Creative Memories box, and it hooks on the side. Isn't that cool? Hooks on the side. So take that off. And I have a bunch, and I label my pictures on the front, so I know what's in each box. And I have 2 boxes in there. And believe it or not, some of these are mostly just Christmas. And then I use this. These are old from Creative Memories. Anytime I see them at a yard sale, and they're usually like a dime or a quarter, I pick them up because they hold a ton. Look at that. A ton of pictures. My great idea was, I don't have them up here anymore. There were little pieces of white paper that came in these little slots, but it was a used one, so someone had written on them. I could have turned them over, but I thought, no, you know what? I'm going to be smart and do it with my label maker. Well, then, I didn't like that idea. I did do one. I didn't like that idea. So, I just put it on the outside of this plastic holder. Because then that way when I get done with them, like when I'm done with the one, I can just peel them off. And then boom, it's gone. Yep. So, I ordered, my husband, he's over at his mom's. They're watching, I think, college football today. I am going to be cleaning up my area and hopefully creating something tonight. I don't know what, but something. And my mom has a terrible cold, and she's had it for like, I think it's been 10 days. But you know, she's stubborn. She might go to the doctor on Monday, but she's stubborn. She just doesn't want to. So, I didn't feel like cooking today, so I'm ordering Domino's pizza for dinner, and that should be coming probably soon. I don't know what time it is now, but I love that you can go on the computer and do it all online, and you can pick what time you want it to come. I think that's amazing. It's funny though, when I was on the computer trying to type and do things, my nails, yes, I need to go get them done. And they look great, they're long, but that's long, that's natural growth. That is crazy. I've got to, when I go get my nails done again, which should be next week, I need to get them short because I cannot type at all. And I didn't really notice before because on my phone, when I'm doing stuff, I use like this, I use a stylus. And I am one of those old ladies that's poking around like that. Because look at the pads of my fingers are big. I can't, I'm so jealous of the kids that are like, you can do it so fast. I tried, I can't. My thumbs, the pads of my fingers are too big. So, not too crazy much happening here. We have wind like you wouldn't believe today. I mean, it's like knock trees over type of wind, and I'm surprised people aren't losing power. But it's 40 degrees, which is nice, but the wind is really cold. Really, really cold. Tomorrow, we're supposed to get snow. Today's Saturday. Yesterday, I thought it was Saturday all day when we were out running errands. Today is Saturday, so it's supposed to snow Sunday and Monday. But it's going to be in the 40s, so I think what we're going to get more so than snow, we're going to get rain. Because the snow that we have gotten has not stayed around. It's been too warm, which is fine with me. I mean, I would love to see more snow. I know a lot of people here are like, no, no, no. I know my mom is one. No, no, no. I don't know. I like snow. All right. Well, I just wanted to come on. This is my first vlog. And I'll be able to tell what you guys think by your comments. And, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Woo, woo, woo. And if you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe. Oh, I did want to say, and I'm not going to say names, but you will know who I'm talking to. I went to my P.O. box the other day, I think Thursday, and I had some Christmas cards and a gift in there. So I'll be doing a video to show what I got, what was sent to me, and I am sending you a gift back. I just have to make it, so when I get it made, I will send you a gift back and a nice card, and I'll write in there because you wrote me a nice long message, which was really nice. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. If you really like my channel and my craziness, you can hit the bell and be notified of videos as I upload them. All right, everybody, you have a wonderful Saturday. I hope you're doing something fun, and have a blessed day. Bye.